Alright guys, this is Shawin and Daddy is videoing her. Today, Shawin's gonna show us how to make a box out of her puzzles. Alright. First is you put the puzzle together like a cross. Then you build the side. One at a time. Like what Shawin is doing. There you go. Just like that. You clip it. Snap, snap. And then she's gonna put the cover on top. That's very good. And look at that. Now we have a box of puzzle. Little puzzles. Alright, now we're gonna ask Shawin, how'd you learn that and where did you learn that from?
I learned it for school.
Wow. So you saw it in school?
Yeah.
You saw it in school. And then your teacher teach you or you just learn by yourself?
I learned it by myself.
Oh. Nobody show you how to do it? Like this?
Yes. Because I saw my classmate and I hear my teacher that one make a box of letters.
And then you make this one. Wow. That looks really good, Shawin. What else can you do with the box?
I can
And with the
make,
puzzles and letters?
watch this.
Okay.
Remove the tops. And then remove it there. And then put it there up.
Whoa. And what is that, Meg? That look like a two-story house, no?
Yes.
Wow. A house made out of puzzle. Yay! Good job, Shawin. Hey, what grade are you now?
I'm great.
K1.
K1.
Okay, what school?
I just made the letters out. I have to put the letters back.
Where's your school, Shawin?
To the church.
You don't know your school name? It's LaSalle Tech.
Look, Daddy.
Okay.
You can fold it in that way.
Yay!
There was the A. That's A. That's A. That's A.
Very good. Good job, Shawin.
Where's the M there? Where's the O? Where's the O? I can find the O. Just put it to the letter B.
Yay!
This is what I learned from school.
Very good, Shawin. You're learning from school, huh? Alright, I'll say bye-bye.
Bye.